All right, YouTube and all you audio geeks out there, people that own LA-2As that have weak light bulbs for the VU meter like this one. I got a quick fix for you. It seems to work pretty good so far. I don't have the correct bulb, I believe, for this. It's supposed to be a 6.4 volt, 3 watt. Mine came with somebody else had to replace the bulb in it. So I went to the auto parts store and I got some other bulbs. And what I ended up with is this Long Life Sylvania. And this is a 13 volt, 4.3 watt. So it's a little bit different bulb, but it does work. So here's what I ended up doing. Quick fix, easy. So if you see this here, the light bulb just shines kind of throughout the entire chassis. So what I thought was we'll come up with a cool little guy, a shield of some kind to bounce the light down more towards the meter. So what I did was I got a piece of caulk, like a tube of caulk, and I cut the nozzle off of it. And I left the thin end, or the narrower end, which is the tip, kind of tapered so I could trim it to the right size, and then I cut a notch out inside of the actual tube. And so what it allows you to do is to slide this right over the whole bulb assembly and then reflect the light back down towards the meter. So I will show you how this works. It's pretty cool. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can actually see it a little bit better. So here we go, lights off, board's lit, LA-2a right there. Okay, so here's the meter without, you see how dark the meter is, especially over on the left side. It's kind of the best place to see it. So we'll go ahead and slide my little notched guy on here. We'll slide it on like this. Just slides on. Make sure you point it down. Voila. More light on your meter. There you go. You're welcome.